Can you imagine stepping into your trailer after hours on the road, and instead of searching for a campground restroom, you have your own private one? If this level of comfort sounds expensive to you, allow me to introduce you to 10 travel trailers under $20,000 that still provide real convenience on the road. It means no late-night walks and no sacrifice on comfort just to stay in budget. Sounds like a dream come true, right? It can be, because by the end of this video, you will realize your ideal travel trailer is far more affordable than you think. If you love exploring rough trails but still want a hot shower at the end of the day, the Bushwhacker Plus 17FD delivers a lot in a very small footprint. This lightweight trailer stretches about 18 feet long and weighs around 2,240 pounds dry, which makes it towable for many SUVs. Despite the compact size, the interior manages to fit a two-piece wet bath that combines a toilet and shower and allows you to skip campground facilities completely. The dinette at the front also converts into a bed, in addition to the queen bed at the rear end, while the small kitchen provides all essential features that help you cook, store, and preserve your meals. The price falls around $14,000 to $16,000 at an average, which makes it one of the most affordable trailers for your small family. The Coachman Clipper 17 CBH proves that budget campers can still feel practical for family trips. At roughly 20 feet long and about 2,896 pounds dry, it stays relatively light. One of the biggest advantages is the sleeping space. A front bed, rear bunks, and a convertible dinette allows multiple people to stay comfortably on weekend trips. What really makes this trailer stand out is the dry bathroom with a 24 by 36 inch shower, giving you a separate toilet instead of a cramped wet bath. The kitchen area includes a cooktop, refrigerator, and storage cabinets for food and gear. For families wanting a simple starter camper with a real bathroom and enough beds for everyone, the Clipper sells at $14,000 to $16,000 at many RV dealers. This is also where things start getting interesting because the next camper gives your family a lot more sleeping space. While many small trailers squeeze the bathroom into a tight corner, the Salem FSX 164 RBLE takes a different approach. At about 20 feet long and roughly 2,819 pounds dry, it stays manageable for many tow vehicles and offers a spacious layout inside. The Salem FSX 164 RBLE is considered one of Forest River's budget models, with typical dealer pricing in the mid $16,000 to $19,000 range, depending on incentives and options. The highlight of this model is the large rear bathroom, which includes a full shower, toilet, and even linen storage. That means more elbow room compared to many tiny campers. Up front, a queen-size bed runs lengthwise along the trailer with wardrobes and cabinets surrounding it. The central kitchen gives you the perfect space for everyday camping meals, and the overall design refuses to let you compromise on comfort. The Springdale Mini 176 OBBH is designed for campers who need more sleeping space without having to manage a massive trailer. This model measures about 21 feet 5 inches and weighs around 3,796 pounds, yet it still stays in the affordable category. Inside, the standout feature is the three-piece dry bathroom with a separate shower, toilet, and sink. A very rare find in campers at the price level between about $18,000 and $20,000 when new, sometimes less with dealer promotions. The kitchen includes a propane stove and a microwave, so all your road meals are served fresh and warm. For families who want a budget trailer with real living space, this model perfectly combines practicality with affordability. But are you looking for even lighter to tow? The next one is going to surprise you. Now here's one that families really like because the Flagstaff EPRO E15TB surprises people the moment they step inside at just 15 feet 8 inches long and about 2,608 pounds dry. Yet the interior is cleverly arranged to include twin beds that can convert into a king-size sleeping area. Most importantly, this little trailer still manages to include a wet bath with a shower wand, toilet, and ventilation fan, allowing you to stay fully self-contained while camping. It also sells around $18,000 to $20,000 when new, and this is exactly why it's the perfect fit for your quick weekend trip, scenic road adventure, or minimalist camping. The Coachman Clipper 15 CBH is proof that even very small travel trailers can include all the essentials for a comfortable trip. Measuring about 17 feet long and weighing roughly 2,500 pounds dry, it's light enough for many mid-size SUVs to tow with ease. Inside, the layout is simple and practical. A front bed provides a main sleeping space, while bunk beds toward the back create room for kids or additional guests. The small dinette offers a place to eat and can also convert into extra sleeping space. The Clipper 15 CBH remains one of the most affordable trailers, with many listings showing prices in the $15,000 to $18,000 range depending on the dealer and model year. Despite the humble cost, the trailer gives campers the privacy of a real bathroom on the road. Another helpful feature is the exterior power awning with LED lighting, which brightens up your evenings outside the trailer. The Braxton Creek Bushwhacker Plus 15 FK is a tiny trailer that you will find to be surprisingly capable when the pavement ends. At about 15.5 feet long and roughly 1,900 pounds dry, your SUV can easily tow it around for an adventure with oversized all-terrain tires and a high-clearance axle. You'll typically see this priced between $12,000 and $15,000. Step inside and you'll find a compact but clever interior. A U-shaped dinette quickly converts into a comfortable bed, while the front kitchen includes a 2-burner stove and a 12-volt refrigerator for simple meals on the road. The bathroom and toilet give it a plus point, and with a 5,000 BTU air conditioner and a 12,000 BTU furnace, it stays comfortable in both hot summers and chilly nights. The Coachman Clipper Classic 1285 SST is a folding pop-up camper that has a never-ending list of everything it offers. When folded down for travel, it stays compact and easy to tow, but once set up at camp, it opens into a roomy interior nearly 19 feet long. Inside, you'll find a sofa and dinette that convert into sleeping areas, giving several people space to rest comfortably. A small galley kitchen includes a sink and 2-burner stove for basic cooking. What makes this pop-up unique is the built-in wet bathroom with a shower and cassette toilet, definitely a very unique feature for a folding trailer. Because the roof collapses for travel, it also stays low and aerodynamic on the road. Manufacturer's suggested retail price stands at $16,000 to $18,000, but many dealers can offer $1,200 to $15,000 bargain. So, extra camping convenience and lightweight towing? What do you think about this one? The Coleman Lantern T13R is one of the smallest travel trailers that still includes a real bathroom. Measuring just under 16 feet long, it's extremely easy to tow and simple to maneuver in tight campsites. Inside, the layout is straightforward but practical, and dealer prices fall between $13,000 to $16,000. A corner bed provides a dedicated sleeping area, while a small dinette offers a place to sit, eat, or convert into additional sleeping space. At the rear of the trailer, you'll find a compact bathroom that includes a toilet and a small shower tub. While the bathroom is modest in size, it still provides the privacy and convenience many minimalist campers want. And finally, the last trailer on this list might be one of the best family bargains in the entire RV world. The Forest River RPOD P171 is one of the most recognizable compact trailers on the road and has an MSRP around $29,000 to $36,000. But don't worry, because dealers list it closer to $19,000 after discounts. With its rounded design and lightweight build, it measures about 19 feet long, with the interior feeling surprisingly open. A cozy rear corner bed provides a comfortable sleeping space, while the compact kitchen includes a stove, sink, and refrigerator. Toward the back, the trailer features a full wet bathroom with a shower and toilet, and in addition to that, the generous tank sizes for fresh, gray, and black water help extend trips away from hookups. For couples or solo travelers, the RPOD offers quite a well-equipped camping experience. And that wraps up our look at some of the most affordable travel trailers you can get with a real bathroom and shower. If you enjoyed discovering these budget-friendly campers, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more RV guides, comparisons, and camping tips. Also drop a comment below and tell us which one was your favorite, and tell us which other great campers we should feature in the next video.